Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is John with Venomous Comics with another episode. On my channel, I talk about graded comics, raw comics, cards, Marvel cards, DC cards, anything of that nature. I want to thank you to all the new subscribers that I've had of recently. I really appreciate all the views and comments. With that being said, if you could like and subscribe if you haven't to this video, share it if you haven't, all that helps. I also wanted to do a quick shout out to one of the channels I've been talking to. His channel's great. If you want to check him out, go check out DK from Collector's Impact. He does Magic cards and Marvel cards too, but he's got some really good stuff on his channel. Does some box openings, some pack openings, and just some other good stuff. So, as you can see on the desk today, I got some support in the back over here from some friends that we've opened in past videos. But today we are opening 8 packs out of this Marvel anime box here, because I don't like videos that are super long, but I really want to open all the packs on camera. So today, to keep it short, we're just going to do 8 packs. I'm going to open the box now, but we're going to do 8 packs out of it. And let's just get right into getting this thing open. So as you can see here, 1 premium insert card per or parallel per pack. 5 cards per pack, 16 packs in the box. They also feature artist autographs and these cool stacks cards and manufacturer cards that are encapsulated. Ooh. So is this numbered? No. These are not numbered. Don't shake the camera too much here. Alright, so let me pull out 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I gotta do the right side first, because right is right. Alright. That's what we're going with. I'm going to put this guy off to the side because we're not doing this the rest of that today. So that'll be for another one. There's our 8 packs. Start with the top. Here we go. I picked up one of these boxes. I think I paid $160. I'm trying to be a little bit more transparent with the numbers. Sometimes I forget to mention it, but all the base card artwork is done by Peach Momoko in this set, if you do not know. And first we pulled a Professor X. Do a quick flip. Pull the Punisher. Oh wait, is that yeah? Not the biggest fan of the landscape design. Stacker card. War Machine. And Phoenix. Oh, I just like that card, so I threw it over there. Pack 1 complete. Come on, let's hope for something good. Now I picked these up because I just really like the artwork. Peach Momoko is amazing. Nice Daredevil. Moon Knight. And a kaiju card. Magneto. Just these base cards are just phenomenal. I just love them. I love the artwork. Sort of kaiju card over there. And what's this? Can't read. Kitty Pride. Yeah. All right, another base card. Pack number 3. So there's Peach Momoko signs one of the base cards, hopefully, in every box. Hopefully we get one of those. I'm hoping that we end up with a sketch card. That would be phenomenal, but those are not guaranteed. Those are usually one per box. And this is Nick Fury. Was it Black Bolt? Yeah, Black Bolt. Ooh, nice parallel or prism card of Magneto. I might have to bring that one into work. Greg, if you're watching, you know why. Shout out to Greg. Winter Soldier. And that Magneto is phenomenal. And a Quicksilver. Sorry. I just have to show that one more time. So the parallels must be just of the base card, which is pretty awesome. What do we got there? Nice Iron Fist. Rogue. And looks like another stacker. Black Knight. Black Knight stacker. Is that who this is? No. Oh, Spider-Ham. Thor. Base card. Who is it? And Miracle. Oh, it was a little sticky. Ooh, I can see something on the back there I like. Alright. Deathlock. Green Goblin. And we got a Thunderbolts anime. Go. Jay's card. Throw with the kaiju over there. And a Beta Ray Bill. And Sweetness. Nice Gambit card. I love Gambit. Gambit's awesome. Who doesn't like Gambit? No, I don't have the first appearance of Gambit. I think it's a comic. Uncanny X-Men 2. Shoot, I don't remember the number. 48. Ooh. And we pulled one of the capsule cards. So you got to open them up in the back. Kind of destroy the capsule. So this is a G3. This is a Defenders card. So I'll put that over the side over there. She-Hulk. Oh, so you get one. Takes the place of like 3 cards. Oh man, I'm already at 10 minutes. All right, I only got 2 more anyway. Here we go. Cable. Wasp. Ooh, I'm seeing a parallel. Silver Samurai's parallel. Sweet. And a Groot. And a Black Cat. Love the artwork on that. All right, last of the 8 packs. Ooh, yes. Ghost Spider. Gwen Stacy. Love it. Multiple Man. Dazzler. Ooh. And a Spider-Man. And an Iron Man. Oh, that's an Iron Lad. I'm sorry. Iron Lad. Alright, well that concludes the 8 packs. I hope you like what you saw. I'm digging the Magneto. That's going to go right into a top loader as soon as I get off camera. Loving that. And the Silver Samurai hollow. So the next video will be the other 8 packs. If you like this kind of thing, please like and subscribe. Hit that bell if you want notifications. And this is John from Venomous Comics signing off. See ya.